Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Dodge Dart or you're about to buy a Dodge Dart, guys, and you want to know about common problems, repairs, how easy it's to work on that vehicle, guys, good news. Okay, we'll be making that video, guys, to let you know that we will have more than 200 videos, maybe close to 300 videos on a Dodge Dart, guys, how to repair things, how to replace components, how to fix it on your own. Pretty much, guys, everything from start to finish. We took even the engine completely apart. Stay with us, I'm going to discuss that more. And this is not the case only with Dodge Dart, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos. Why we do all that, guys? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if you guys need to buy replacement parts for a good price for your vehicle, cheap parts, guys, for Dodge Dart or any vehicle, check out the link, guys, in the description of the video below. Now, this is the Dodge Dart here, guys. We have so many videos that explain common problems, how to fix common problems on those. Interior as well, guys, engine codes, fuses, all that is there, guys. We work on Dodge Dart quite a bit. This is the engine out of a different Dodge Dart. This is a 2.4 multi-air engine, guys. This engine, we have a video on the channel. We took it completely apart and we made probably 70 to 80 videos how to fix everything on your engine if it goes bad. Why we guys do all that? Simply because we want to save you money, guys. Now, with that being said, guys, most of the videos, okay, most of the electrical videos on that Dodge Dart, guys, most of the electrical videos will be found on this channel, Electrical Car Repair Live, okay, right here. The mechanical videos, guys, and interior videos, some of them will be found on auto repair, guys. We have quite a few, and world mechanics as well. As you know, guys, we have up to 3 channels, and those 3 channels, guys, we feed them all the time, and we help so many people, guys. Guys, it's amazing. Like right now, okay, on one of them we have 186,000 subscribers. On auto repair, guys, world mechanics, it's at 107,000, and electrical car repair, we just started it, guys, and it's at 18,000 subscribers. You can imagine how many people we helped. So if you're guys about to buy one and you need to learn how to maintain it, how to fix it and all that stuff, information will be on the channel, guys. That will save you quite a bit of money. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Another thing, if you have a problem and you have a Dodge Dart, guys, and you're wondering how to fix it, drop a comment below, guys. We're going to get an idea about a video, and when we have a chance, okay, we will try to make a video and explain how to fix that problem from start to finish. So that way, guys, you don't have to go to the dealer, you don't have to pay money, guys, okay, and you can save money and learn how to fix the vehicle on your own with our help, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful and lead you in the right direction. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.